So you are welcome back to our Microsoft Excel WorkHour class. So in today's class, we are going to be learning another function on dates. And what is that function? It's going to be a continuation on one of the functions we learned in our previous class, which was network days. Now, recall we said network days is used in knowing the number of work days between two different dates exactly. Now, but in today's class, we want to learn network days international. Meaning, we want to specify our own what work day. And in today's class, we're not going to be using our Monday to Friday. Now, today we want to use this same format we use here: Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Saturday as our work day. Then Monday, Friday, and Sunday should be our weekend. Is that clear? So once again, you're welcome back to today's class. Today is a day 45 of our exam workout. Wow, I'm very, very excited. We've come this far, and I believe we all have been able to learn a lot of things from the past 44 days. Yes. So, that was much of our time. Once again, if you have interest in learning data analysis, there is a data analysis class I'm going to be organizing in this October for anyone that want to start their career in data analysis. It's beginner friendly and it's also what pocket friendly. So if you have interest in it, you can send me a message on my WhatsApp platform. We are going to be discussing. So I'm going to tell you all details of the class, how it's going to be. So if you have interest, do have what? Do make sure you send a message on WhatsApp via the link below. Now, without wasting much of our time, let's get started. So we are going to say equals to network days international. So what's our start date? We're starting on 12th of what? July 2024. Then what's our end date? We are ending on 25th of November 2024. So we say we want to use what? Like this. So Monday is the first day, right? So that means on Monday we don't go to work. That means Monday is going to be 1. Tuesday we go to work 0. Wednesday we go to work 0. Thursday we go to work 0. Friday we don't go to work 1. Saturday we go to work 0. And Sunday we don't go to work 1. So then I'm going to close this, then enter like this. You can see it. What is the error? So is there any error in our workday? Okay, not. Let me do it in some now. Equals to network days international. This is my start date, right? Which is 7th of July 2024, 12th of July 2024, then 25th of July 2024. So then what this? Now you know the reason why I was having that issue because of what it has been formatted as date. So that was why we're having that issue. You call that what? What network days international does what network day is to what is to give us what? The number of days between what two different dates. And that particular day cell has been formatted as what as dates. Exactly. That's why it was giving us that. So but let us see. We are going to get what we want from this place now. So I have it like this. I said Monday we don't go to work 1, Tuesday we go to work 0, Wednesday we go to work 0, Thursday we go to work 0, Friday we don't go to work 1, Saturday we go to work 0, Sunday we don't go to work 1. Then we say this close enter. So we have what 77 words work day between two different days exactly. And ordinarily, if I've just checked, okay, now let me show you. If I say days, the number of days is going to be what more than that. Consider more than 36 days. But because I'm only considering just for 4 days, that's why it has reduced what 77 what days. I believe with this we've learned how to use what network day, network days international, work day, and work day international. And we've also learned how to use it. Our days function, and we understand and can what apply these words. Any real life scenario and any case where we are working with dates. So thank you very much for watching. We meet in our class tomorrow, the same channel. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment below. Thanks for everyone. Thanks for watching. So do have a nice day. Bye.